All right, what is up, everybody? Welcome to another sales rally. JP Hussey here, owner of the Hussey Team Mortgage Advisors. I am pumped up right now. Check it out. We are in one of those cycles, all right? The mortgage cycles, real estate cycles. There's no better time to reinvent yourself, all right, than right now. When we come into a little bit of a slower type time, this is where you jump back in and you start pushing, you try and do different things, all right? So I'm here to talk about one thing that we've done over the past, man, I've been in this industry 11 years. I would say 9 of those years I've tried to focus hyper small, right, and let it grow from there. And what I've done, one of those things I've done is be a part of my small community the best way I can. Okay. Um, it's really important to not look, it's good to look big picture, right? But not too big. Like I'm saying, start hyper small right where you live. Okay. Um, Couple examples of this. All right. We are in our small town of Conshohocken, right outside Philadelphia. We go out to we're a small business. We go out to a lot of the small businesses. We introduce ourselves. We give them some Huss Bus gear, right? Ah, look at the hat, right? Get the branding going. Give them some information. Just get to know people. Do not overthink this. Get out there. Just meet people in your community on a one-to-one basis. All right. Then they talk about what you do to their friends, their family, and I'm telling you, organically, it just spreads and grows. Right? It took me a decent amount of time to get where we're at in our community and let it build. All right, because when I started doing this a long time ago, that's not what the typical mortgage person did. Now it's what you should be doing and what people think you should be doing. All right, so you can grow your business very, very fast at this point in time rather than me that did this, started 9 years ago. And guess what? It's fun. This business is stressful enough, right? So go out, have some fun, go meet people, throw a charity event, right? And one thing I'll say about the charity type situations, right, is you never want to go into it like, if I do good for people, I'm going to reap all the rewards, right? Never go into it like that. Go into it is, I want to truly just help people. Forget about mortgages and real estate. Get it out of your mind. All right. If that everywhere you go, people are going to ask what you do for a living. Don't even start with it. Don't even go near it. If they ask you, then you tell them. All right. But go in. I believe in karma. Go in with a loving heart. Help people, okay, in your community. Just do those things. And I'm telling you, it comes back, but never put that in the forefront. Okay. So, to give some examples, if you have kids, right, sports teams, spend 150, 200 bucks. Get your name on the back of that t-shirt for rec baseball, basketball. You got to do those things. And again, I always preach, why can't we have it all? Why can't we make money? And why can't we help people at the same time? Why can't we do that? All right. Our lives aren't about just doing mortgages, right? I think some people get caught up in that. Their whole life is mortgages. Okay, all well and good, but it's not. We're in mortgages to make money so we can live a good life. Okay, what's the old saying? You don't live to work, you work to live. That old thing, very cliche. I get it. So do that. Like, just work to live. Hold on, work to live or live to work, whatever it is. You know what the hell I'm talking about, right? Get out there in your community. Go have fun. Just simply meet people. I mean, the time you put in there, you will reap the rewards later. We just literally this week on Monday, or was a Friday of last week, we closed the mayor of Conshohocken's loan. All right. I never marketed that. It was just us out there helping the community, meeting people. And that's what happened. They came to us, they trusted us. All right. And we closed their loan. How cool is that? And what's that make us look like in the community? We just did the mayor's loan. All right. We're gonna get so much from that. So just being a good person, trying to be a good person, being a human being, get rid of mortgages, real estate, and that will come back to you. All right. Have some fun with it, especially now where real estate agents, they're down a bit. You could call them all day long. Boom, boom, boom. Right? It's all well and good. But we're in a world now, the mortgages, they need us. All right. The consumer needs us. So be consumer facing. Go out there and just let them come to you. You control this shit, right? The money controls it. It used to be real estate agent control it and they refer it. That's going to happen. Okay. But now the mortgage brokers, we're in the forefront right now. We should be getting the client first. We should be advisors. We should be setting up a plan for that client financially with everything going on. And then we refer them to a real estate agent. Okay. That's where you want to get to. And the only way you're going to get there is by going out in your community and just being out there as a person of influence that they trust for anything. Be that person they come to for everything, not just mortgages. Need a good plumber? I know that person. That's because you were just meeting with all the small business people. All right. You know businesses. Be the person that everyone goes to for anything. Get the mortgages and real estate out of your mind. Just be the person they go to for anything. And a lot of times, it just happens to be the mortgage. All right. I hope you guys have a great day. Go kill it. If you guys need anything, let me know. Later.